Hi, this is ContractHack. Today I wanted to show you how to sign up for my coaching and mentorship program. So when you're on my website, you want to click on the Get Started button, choose the tier that you are interested in. And so, for example, I'm going to choose Senior Associate. This will take you to my Kajabi landing page, where you will again choose the tier that you want to purchase. And when you get to this page, it's a typical checkout page, so go ahead and complete that. And right now, I have a awesome coupon code for you. It's fall50, and it will give you 50% off of the price of whatever tier you are interested in, law clerk, junior associate, or senior associate. So go ahead and sign up for that tier you've been eyeing. And I'm going to show you what the program actually looks like once you've purchased it and you've logged in. So you checked out, now you're going to set your password, and then you create your account. Now this is where we have all of the products. So first I'm going to go into the Deal Hacking Essentials, which is downloadable content. And in here you will see there are 6 downloads. Each section of the downloadable content, except for the Insights Guide, has 5 to 6 individual downloads within it. So in total, there are 30 plus downloads that you will have access to when you purchase any of the tiers. Law clerk, junior associate, senior associate, all have access to the same number of downloads. So I'm going to skip over the hack bar right now. Hack your flow, hack your career, the lawyer's edge, rainmaker hacks, hack sheets. These are all downloadable content selections. We have the group coaching for the junior associates. We have the weekly office hours. We have the personalized one-on-one coaching. So senior associate has access to all of these things. So this is actually the Hack Hub, which is the course. And in the course, right now I am still working on building it out, but you will get access to everything that is now available and is added in the future. So you'll be able to go in and do that course in your own time, in your own pace, redo it if you want. You will have unlimited access. So now let's go back to the hack bar. This is our community group where, depending on what tier you pick, you will have access to a community board with all the other people in your group. And if you are in a tier that has group calls or coaching, then you will also have access to those as well. So you'll be able to leave questions, leave comments, give advice, ask for advice, and other people within your tier will be able to help, as well as myself. I will be in there moderating and just leaving comments and advice and inspirational messages as well. There's also the ability for challenges, and I think it would be great if we could have some different fun games in there, potentially have someone maybe win a prize. So there's definitely lots of possibilities that we can do with that. And then if you are in the junior associate or the senior associate tier, you are going to have access to the group coaching calls, and you would be able to come in here, and once you actually schedule your times, then you would have the group calls. So they do occur every other Tuesday. They are bi-weekly, and they will be every other Tuesday at 6 p.m. Pacific. And then there's also weekly office hours on Thursdays. Don't forget, that you can save 50% off any tier for a limited time. Use the coupon code FALL50 for 50% off the tier you are interested in. Sign up to level up your career and start hacking with me now. Looking forward to meeting all you hackers soon.